Today I'm playing at the Eagle Mountain Airsoft field. I am playing a mode with limited respawns. Every time you die, you must return to your respawn point and get a new life marker. My team's respawn point is the blue flag, and the enemy's team respawn point is the red flag. I am starting from this point. I am using my Lancer Tactical Nightwing.
You got me? Yeah, this guy's cheating.
After respawning, I moved to this point right here.
That's what I'm talking about.
I quickly moved up to this point.
There's someone in that fort?
Oh, yeah, there's someone in that fort.
Okay. Scoochie.
Kill confirmed. Anyone push him up?
Yep, I got one. There's one other dude in the base now.
No.
I quickly moved to this bunker to get a better angle on the enemy. I quickly moved back to that wall, realizing that the enemies in the opposing bunker were out of range.
He's going back.
Got him. Yo, I'm running for it. Cover, cover, cover.
Okay, I'm here. Grab the
Yeah.
tag.
Yo, this is the best spot.
For a while we were in that bunker, there were a lot of people chilling at the enemy team's respawn, so we thought we were winning. But then the enemy team surprised us.
I'm out.
After that final raid, my team and I decided we had had enough of the enemy team.